This prototype can provide a clear guidance for determining the Chladni model shape using the optical level method. The proposed method is a rather simple approach to quantitatively determine the Chladni model shape at a very low cost.
Knowledge of the partial differential equation and the finite elements method is important for a successful execution of the procedure.
To set up the vibration system, acquire two 1 mm thick mirrored circular acrylic plates with 150 mm and 200 mm diameters, respectively. Drill a 3 mm diameter hole in the center of each plate and mark several points every 5 mm along an arbitrary radius. Attach each plate to the actuate bar of the vibrator with a bolt in the middle point, and use a waveform generator to drive the vibrator with a sine wave. To acquire the resonance frequency, use the laser pen to perpendicularly project the laser beam from a 120 mm distance onto the vibrating plate, such that the beam is reflected to the light screen 500 mm in the distance. Quickly move the laser pen along the direction perpendicular to its length to scan over the diameter, while the signal generator continuously changes its frequency. When the spot length is significantly stretched along the diameter, and some spots with almost no expansion appear, begin scanning this certain frequency range slowly, and determine the frequency at which the spot expands most obviously.